Croeso I uned 23. In this part of the unit, we're going to learn how to use the question form, oes rhaid I fi, do I have to, and the negative form, does dim rhaid I fi, I don't have to. Yn gyntaf, firstly, the question. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Repeat after me. Oes rhaid I fi fynd i'r cyfarfod heddiw? Oes rhaid I fi orffen y gwaith? Oes rhaid I ti weithio yfory? Oes rhaid I ti ateb yr e-bost? Cofiwch, remember, the treiglad meddal, soft mutation, caused by the conjugated forms of I when using the pattern. When answering one of these questions, the reply will always be oes or nac oes. Enghraifft. Oes rhaid I ti ffonio dy fos? Oes. Neu nac oes. Oes rhaid I fi anfon yr e-bost? Oes. Neu nac oes. Oes rhaid I chi weithio yn hwyr? Oes. Neu nac oes. Let's move on to a negyddol now, the negative. You have already seen the pattern, does dim, in uned 12. Does dim amser gyda fi. Here, we use it to say what we don't have to do. Gwrandewch ac ailadroddwch. Listen and repeat. Does dim rhaid I fi orffen y gwaith? I don't have to finish the work. Does dim rhaid I ni fynd i'r cyfarfod? We don't have to go to the meeting. Does dim rhaid I chi weithio yfory? You don't have to work tomorrow. Does dim rhaid I Tom dalu'r bil? Tom doesn't have to pay the bill. It's important to note the difference, however, between does dim rhaid I fi, I don't have to, and rhaid I fi beidio, meaning I must not. Edrychwch. Look at these examples. Rhaid I fi beidio a smocio. I mustn't smoke. Does dim rhaid I fi smocio. I don't have to smoke. Rhaid I fi beidio a bod yn hwyr. I mustn't be late. Does dim rhaid I fi fod yn hwyr. I don't have to be late. Can you see the difference? Da iawn chi. There are some activities for you to complete now, and remember that you can always watch this video again to practice. Pob lwc!